Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a quick number that we have for Microsoft Edge. We look every month or so at the market share for the different browsers, and of course the big dominant browser is still Google Chrome. And so this is something that's been there for such a long time. So Google Chrome is really the dominant web browser right now, and it's not going to change for quite a while, honestly, because if we look at how dominant it is and how far away the other browsers are, we see that this is not going to change. But we do see a slight increase in the uptake, and it's small, but it's there every month. So we'll see how it goes over time. Microsoft Edge now at 10.8%. This is 0.2% more than last month. Chrome dominant at 66.2, but it's down almost 0.75%. So we'll see what happens with that. Firefox 8% gained about 0.25%. And Opera at 3% is the the fifth browser in importance on PCs. Safari at 8.9%, but that is just Mac computers only. Windows doesn't have a Safari browser anymore. But what about the mobile browsers? Because we should talk about those since the browsers are existing and that Edge and Chrome are both in the mobile area, and most major browsers are. So Chrome, once again, big dominant at 65% in the browser market for mobile. So on your smartphone, on a tablet, with Android, for example, or an iPad. Apple Safari, 24.2%. That shows the dominance of iPhones and iPads in the market, actually. That's where we see that, Mac computers never really been able to breach the 10%, but the iPhones and the iPads are actually very popular. There's a Samsung Internet Browser. That kind of shows also that the Samsung devices are there at 4.8%, UC browser 1.6%, whatever that is, and Opera at 1.6%. So these are the numbers we have, and of course we still have the dominance of Google Chrome, even though at almost 11%, 1 person out of 10 in PCs are using Edge. I consider that to be not bad at all, when you think about the fact that, it started from scratch at some point. And it is better than what the original Edge actually ever had. So this is interesting to see, and we'll see how it goes over time. But, they're talking about 1.5 billion PCs out there running Windows. Well, 10% is 150 million people actually using Edge. Not too bad. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.